much better than they can.
Really? And what else?
Just remember that it's what's inside that matters, not what we look like.
What's marmalade?
Oh, it's an orange preserve often found on toast.
No. What's marmalade?
Oh. I know. Well, I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you, dear. Something not very nice.
This is your son, dear.
I've created a monster.
Don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-of-the-mill conduct. That's all.
That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
I know, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
He's a turkey.
He is not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
See? He didn't even flinch. Now, I want you to all get spruced up. It's time to meet the other members of the duck yard and be educated in the ways of the world. Drake! Don't stare at him!
Look at him.
Come on, children, let's make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family like this isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now come along, all of you now, follow me. But stay close to me at all times or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Let him in. He's our man. Look at him. That is obviously extra stuff. When neighbors scream at us when they see our roof. He's a traveling water spout.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
If you look at me once, it matters. If you're obvious, why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off.
Now, that's what I call snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so